Dear job seekers, are you immediate joiner or available, actively looking for a new job, notice period submitted, seeking new opportunities, last working day? You must change your profile to appear on recruiters' close match search results. LinkedIn job seekers, whenever you are planning for a new job due to any scenario if arise, just follow below simple changes in your profile so that you will appear in recruiters' search results. Recruiters were paid subscriber or non-paid subscriber for candidates search. Recruiters using various way and struggle lots to reach best match relevant candidates with active JD by using Boolean search, Boolean operators, Boolean string, advanced search filters. Recruiters always like narrow search results instead of broaden. Recruiters having tight schedule to board the right candidates within specific time frame. Maximum 30 to 45 days for overseas openings. They focus on candidates whose immediate available, notice period submitted, actively looking for new job instead of 90 days notice period. For example, if recruiters were looking for .NET developer, 5 years of experience with skills and expertise required for this position, then you must apply necessary changes in profile so that your LinkedIn profile will appear on recruiter narrow search results instead broaden. In search box, recruiters may use these keywords to get the most relevant close match results, which initially shown on title description, current and past experience. Accordingly, they will click to review the profile instead of exploring all individuals' profiles from below list. First search keywords .NET developer immediate SQL 5 years. Second search keywords .NET developer immediate SQL as this has close match 59 results. Recruiters will review all profiles.
Make necessary below changes in your profile. Watch the example.